Hello everybody. Yo, every time I start filming, this guy's like, something is about to go down. You're right. The best video is about to go down. So I thought this week we would do an outfits of the day, an OOTD if you will, in collaboration with, it's not. But Dreamcatcher just came out. I'm pretty sure by the time this song comes out, I'll be out. Hold on, let me finish this intro. Dreamcatcher probably came out with their song already. I'm sure it's a bop. But besides that, I have a friend that's visiting and we are going out and about and doing stuff. And I was like, you know what? Since I'm getting dressed anyways, why not film an outfits of the week? Wait, I said outfits of the day. Oh, Albie, what day is it? Tuesday, thank you. Tuesday. So let's go on to our first outfit. Okay, Albie. Okay. Albie, out. Homeboy wants to say hello. What? Ooh! Over here. I'll be up. Up. And up. You wait. Today we're gonna go bike riding. We're gonna keep it chill. Do I want to just wear something super comfortable? Do I want it to look cute? What's the whole thing? The first thing I thought about are my green pants that I thrifted in Japan. Because they're comfy and they're cute and they're colorful. Let me get. Alright, so we have the green pants. What do I wear? Do I just throw in a sweater, call it a day, and a turtleneck? That sounds about right. We're trying to be comfortable. Yeah. Okay, since I'm gonna be wearing this puffer, has some orange tones with the orange heat tech, and then what's the sweater I'm gonna be wearing on top? Let's see. Literally, you can't even see my heat tech. Bueno, it's there. I have my green hat. Now, I always like having really cute socks, even though nobody's gonna see them. You know that they're there, and that's what matters. So I guess if you're living in like an Asian household, they do see them. Then you do see them. That is true. Is this cute, Albie? Is it cute? Okay, and for shoes, I just got these brown chunky platform boots because you already know I need height. I will have to take Albie's stuff, so I'm gonna have to bring my bigger bag, but alright, that's it for day one. Bye! Stop the presses. I might go with a different sweater. What if we went with a whole bunch of different greens? Cute! Does that look cute? If I wanted to say warmer, then I would be choosing the blue one. But I feel like I'm gonna get really overheated quite quickly because that is just the nature of being me. Mafi, what do you think?
Yeah. This is cuter. And you're already gonna get hot then.
I'm already gonna get hot. Okay, so here is the outfit for Wednesday. No, Tuesday. Yay. Hello everyone, it is a new day. Actually, yesterday I was sick, so I didn't do anything. For today's outfit, I feel like you could see my bro when I go like this. You can't. Today we're gonna go do a whole day of thrifting, so I want to wear something comfortable. My first option was just gonna be a turtleneck and call it a day, or a sweater and call it a day. But I'm like, what is something else I can use aside from that? Just something that's like, gives the outfit something interesting to look at, but it's also comfortable. So I put on this bouncy shirt that I thrifted in Japan, and then I put on these super comfortable jeans. What I would have normally done is wear this boot, pero we're gonna be walking, so other options, white sneakers or black boots. Mafi, which one do you think?
The boots.
Oh, really?
I like one second. I was thinking of the rain.
The rain. This black just came out of nowhere in this outfit. There's nothing to tie it together. Ideally, I would put on a beret, but since we're gonna go thrifting, we're gonna be taking things on and off. Can you pass me the black beret just in case?
Yeah.
Other side option. I mean, what do you think? This one or this one? Oh, okay, thank you.
You're so smart.
Good boy. You want to go for a pee-pees? Abby, go. Well, that is today's outfit for the rain. Okay, well, I'm going to do my face and I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so I just went to take out Albie for a walk and it's way colder than I expected. So I'm going to throw on this heat tech underneath this shirt. Originally, I was wearing a beret and that looked nice. But I was like, I just washed my hair last night. But then again, putting it up isn't like that much better. But just in case I am bringing the beret, if my head can no longer take the wind. But anyways, Let me show you the updated look. Looks like this. Cozy. I feel much warmer now that I have this heat tech on because literally the air is just coming in. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going on a day trip to Daejeon. It is going to be cold outside, so I have on my heat tech. I have on comfy socks. I didn't want to wear a bra, so I'm wearing a bralette. And oh god, my throat. Since we're going to be doing a whole like day thing, actually what I really wanted to wear were some pants and a sweater vest, but I feel like the colors that I have are just like brown, and I feel like most of these outfits have been pretty neutral, and I wanted to throw in some color. So I'm gonna be wearing this green turtleneck underneath. It is finally time to break out the jumpsuit. I haven't worn this in such a long time. Alright, I also really wanted to wear my brown knee-high boots, but since we're going to be doing a whole walking thing, I'm going to have to just go back to my combat boots.
Not at all.
I want to wear this beret, but I just took a shower. I just washed my hair. And I hate the fact that I end up wearing a beret, because it's like, you just washed your hair, what was the point? You should have just left your hair all greasy. Unless throw on this black hat, so it pieces this in, but then this kind of makes no sense. It's gonna be Jamiroquai for today. Virtual insanity, no. You know Jamiroquai? You know the song I was singing?
No.
What year were you born?
1992.
A year difference is decades
That's all
apart.
it makes. That's all it takes. I grew up in South America, and then I came here when I
On
was.
top of that,
Yeah.
because that came out in like 1999.
Okay, yeah, I was not
You
here.
were not here.
And I was 7 years old.
You're 7 years old.
Watching telenovelas.
Look up Jamiroquai.
Oh, I see.
Okay, I'm doing a virtual insanity moment. Now for my jacket, I think I'm just going with my blue one. You think? Take it in, people. Option 2. Option 2. Hello, everyone. Dude, this morning was crazy pants. We went to sleep last night at 3 a.m. We were hanging out at a friend's place. Today I had an event. It was burrito and super matcha, and it was at 10 a.m. So that meant I had to wake up at 8, and I had to see how Albie and all this stuff, and did not have enough time. I like ran out of my house essentially, so I wasn't able to film my OOTT. But here's the outfit. I'm trying really hard not to wear my like black puffer yet, because that's like the really heavy duty time, and I'm really trying not to wear that just yet. I'm trying to take advantage of all the other coats that I have, so I'm definitely wearing this. I have my bag that I thrifted when I was in America. I didn't know it was a brand or a designer called Orla Kylie. I looked her up and I was like, wow, that's totally like my style. So just happened to be really lucky that I found something like this, and for relatively really cheap too on top of that. So yay! Going with the green. I have my green scarf. So let me tell you this. When I was getting dressed, I went to my friend. I was like, Mafe, I wish this event had a dress code so I knew what to wear. Turns out as I'm walking there, there's a dress code. What is the dress code? Look at my outfit. You know what the dress code is? Black or white. I was like, oh my god. Me and my friend Rihanna were like, because we were in color. But yes, so, alright, taking off this. Phew. I have my dress I thrifted while I was in Japan, one of the last times. And while I was in America, I finally got colored tights. I only brought 3. Blue, red, and pink. I already wore blue, so I went with the pink. Kind of reminded me of like a ballerina, and then I put on my brown boots because, of course, you already know your girl wants some height. But yeah, it was cutie little look. So hot up here. Oh my god, this is all wet. I have to take a shower. Later tonight, we're gonna be heading out. So, and that is it for today. See you tomorrow. Your butt said my shot. There. Good morning, everyone. Today we're heading over to Daejeon. This is the first time I'm going back since I left in 2016. Mafe has been back there since 2017, 2016. I don't know if y'all saw my Japan thrift haul, but I wore this outfit and I'm thinking I want to wear it today. First off, I'm gonna put on these tights. Okay friends, have on the red tights. I have on my red skirt. This is looking frumpy right now, but that's okay. I'll put on this. I'm so excited to wear this sweater, but estos pobres shoes that
I've been through the
they have been
rain
through.
work.
Yeah. I could wear this beret and it looks cute, but I just washed my hair. That's my problem. I hate wearing stuff on my head when I just washed my hair, because what was the point? What jacket am I gonna wear? Everything is chaos now. I'm running late, so this is the outfit. La 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 la. La 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 la. I feel like chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate pudding.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Okay. Bye. Well, I'll see where it is because I don't even know where it is. Hello everyone, welcome to another day. Honestly, I kind of have like a mental block of what I want to wear. No, that's a lie. I know what I want to wear, and these days I really want to wear brown. But I'm like, girl, you gotta wear some color. Who are you if you're not wearing color? And I made a compromise. So, I think I'm gonna wear. Karina gave me this and I was so freaking happy because I was on the search for this. I was gonna pair this with jeans, pero. So instead of wearing jeans, I'm gonna see if this doesn't look too tonto. It does look tonto. Is it possible? Oh man, I'm gonna be walking a lot. What am I gonna wear?
Sneaks. Not the brown.
I have
So
to.
bad.
I have to.
Not the brown.
Alrighties. I caved in and I threw on a beret, and it always makes me so sad because I just washed my hair. And I was like, maybe my scalp be free, but not today because I just needed to add in more color into this look. So blue beret it is. I do have a heat tech underneath because I was just a little bit scared. I ain't trying to get sick, you know what I'm saying? Decided to go with the puffer. Then when it's just closed, cute, and it's like open, you got color. So that's the look for today. Goodbye. Oh, this guy is like, we're doing something. Child, Albie, can't be doing that on camera. People are watching. Do that in the privacy of your own bed. Yeah, Albie, please. Okay, so welcome to the final day. Final day. I really want to wear this dress. Here's the thing, it's no longer summertime. I can't just wear it by itself. Hopefully, if I put this mesh top underneath, it doesn't look too dumb. Ooh, we got a mesh top. We got a mesh top. Angel vibes. Angel vibes. No, it's too much white. Takes it away. Still figuring out the situation, but I really wanted to wear these tights. Alright, so I put on these tights. I wanted to do, you know, the little thing like, you just like boom, 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 boom. But I don't like using safety pins. It's gonna ruin the fabric, so instead I'm just sewing it, which is very extra. Exactly. Go. I'm like, I don't know, should I make it even higher because I really want to show this, pero I think it's good enough. I threw on these brown booties that I thrifted. I put on a black turtleneck. I didn't want to because it was like brown and black, but we gonna make it work. And to tie in a little bit more red, I added a beret and I put in cherry earrings. I don't know, I kind of want to make this higher, but I'm just gonna keep it for what it is. The red tights are gonna be like a peekaboo little moment, like pew. I don't even know what we're doing today. We could literally just go out and then come back home. But at least I look cute. Okay, y'all. Thank you, Albie. Come over here. Anja, good boy. He's my accessory for the day. And that's it for the video, homies. I hope y'all enjoy it. I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know which day was your favorite. And that's it. Right, Albie? Albie, say high five. Boom, baby. Okay, let's go. Albie, door. Go over the door. Bye.